Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Mess with Michelle. Today's video is all about washing dishes motivation. Whether you have a stack of dishes in your sink that you're trying to get motivated to wash, or you just love watching other people doing dishes and find it relaxing, this is the video for you. Today's video is a mashup, and I'm using different clips from previous cleaning videos of washing dishes and jammed it all into one to give you 13 minutes of washing dishes motivation. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to play some tunes, and this way you can get motivated or just sit back and relax and watch the cleaning process. I also snuck in a few clips of washing the sink because every time I finish washing the dishes, I definitely have to wash out that sink. So keep on watching, and I really hope you enjoy today's video.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. Like you already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. It's like the two of, it's like the two of, it's like the two of, they're golden. It's like the two of, it's like the two of, it's like the two of, they're golden. It's like the two of, it's like the two of, it's like the two of, they're golden. It's like the two of, it's like the two of, it's like the two of, they're golden. It's like the two of, so golden. You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the words in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing. Best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing. Guess I tried. Guess I Guess I tried. Please come back. Guess I tried. Please come back. Guess I changed my ways. Guess I changed my ways. Please come back. Guess I changed my ways. Guess I changed my ways. Please come back. Guess I Guess I Please come back. Guess I changed. Guess I changed. Guess I changed.
I really hope you enjoyed today's video mashup, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. And if you know anybody that needs a bit of motivation to get their dishes done, definitely give this video a share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video when I upload next Sunday. Bye!